The history of Clan Pitcairn can be traced back to medieval Scotland. The earliest known mention of the Pitcairn name is found in records from the 13th century when William de Petkaran served as a juror at Dunfermline, before 1249. This is a testament to the clan's deep roots in the region. One of the significant moments in the clan's history occurred when Sir Hugh de Abernethy granted the lands of Innernethie to his kinsman, John de Petkaran. It was a sign of the clan's growing influence and standing in the local community. In 1296, Piers de Pectarne of Fife appeared on the Ragman Roll, swearing fealty to Edward I of England. This period marked a turbulent time in Scottish history, with many clans having to navigate the complex political landscape of the era. During the Battle of Flodden in 1513, Andrew Pitcairn and 7 of his sons made the ultimate sacrifice for their country. Their heroism serves as a poignant reminder of the clan's dedication to Scotland. Robert Pitcairn, a member of the clan, held influential positions during a crucial period in Scottish history. He served as the commendator of Dunfermline Abbey and secretary during the regency of Moray, Lennox, Mar, and Morton. However, his allegiance to the regents and his opposition to Queen Mary marked him as a controversial figure. He even accompanied the regent Moray to England in 1568 to justify his actions against the Queen. The Pitcairn family prospered as Fife lairds, but they also faced hardships, particularly due to their support of the Jacobite cause in the 15 and 45 rebellions. Their commitment to their beliefs and the consequences they endured are a testament to their unwavering dedication to their principles. In 1767, Captain Robert Pitcairn made a significant discovery. He stumbled upon an uninhabited island in the Pacific Ocean, which would later become known as Pitcairn Island. This remote and isolated place would gain fame as the last refuge of the Bounty mutineers. John Pitcairn, a major in the Royal Marines, played a pivotal role in history when he commanded the unit that fired the first shots in the American War of Independence. His actions on that fateful day marked the beginning of a new chapter in world history. One enduring contribution of the Pitcairn family to Scottish history is the Criminal Trials of Scotland, edited by Robert Pitcairn and published in 1833. This invaluable resource provides a wealth of information gleaned from trials between 1487 to 1624 and continues to be a valuable reference for historians and genealogists.